Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel OSIS Dice. Today I am going to show you how to download and install VS Code in Windows operating system. So first of all, we have to open Google Chrome, or you can open your favorite browser. Just type VS Code. This is the official website. Just click here. You can click here or you can click here. Both are same. Both are going to download executive file of VS Code for Windows operating system. So click save. It's downloading now. Executable file is downloading. It's a 76.2 MB and you can see the latest 1.57. We have to wait for some times. After downloading of executable file, we have to double click on this file. Just click I accept the agreement and click next. This is the path, default path. If you want to change you can, but it's look good, so we can click next. VS Code, click next. Create a desktop icon, and I want to check this all. You can check or you can leave it. I want to check all this and click next and click on install. I want to click on finish. So VS Code is going to launch. Now you can set up these things. Click here. I want the Solaris talk and click on next. Browse language extension, so leave it. Just browse and which language you want to add here, and you add. So I want to leave this. Open the command plate. This is the command plate. Open up your code and click on mark done. After installing of VS Code, you can see the file edit selection, everything is here. So if you want to create a project, so you can see the Visual Code here, our desktop icon. Now you can double click on and open it. Thanks for watching this video.